Want to make this microwave zoom with time remapping? First right click on your layer, go to the time and then select enable time remapping. Go to the center of the layer and make a keyframe. Then go to the end of the layer and copy the first keyframe here and copy my graph. Now create scale keyframe on both start and end of the layer and then make another keyframe in the middle of the layer and set the value to 130. Now copy my graph. You are done now, or if you want to watch a detailed tutorial on this topic, then you can watch the related video with this short. Thanks for watching.